dark egg, 2 parts banana. Wow, bell pepper, bell pepper. Okay, friend. Today I grating bell pepper with 2 parts with egg and banana. Okay. Wow. Grating bell pepper with banana with egg and 2 parts. Wow. Wow. Okay, friend. How to grating bell pepper with banana with 2 parts and dark egg. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. 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 How to cutting bell pepper with egg with banana and 2 parts. Wow. God. Wow.